Hey, Jeff with Eternity Shore, and want to let you know, because I had found in this port side the glazing in the windshield area was incomplete. There's like a space this big. You can go back and see that video. We had a lot of water, 3 days of lots and lots and lots of rain, and we found a bunch of different leaks. But one thing I'm going to try to do right now is, you can see this. You can see how dark it's black in there. So obviously water has gone down. Here it runs down here too, over top. So I'm going to take out, I'm going to unscrew the freezer here. The freezer, I always say freezer. I'm going to unscrew this, get behind here and see what's happening. Also, there's a leak right here, consistently leaking water. It sits in there, and that's why the freshwater pump occasionally just will run, because I think this is dripping. I see some drips there, and I don't think I can. I think I access that. There's no way to access it here. I think it has to be accessed here, find from behind the ice maker. So we'll take it apart and see what we have. Okay. It's all wet in there. And there's the plug. But you can see there's water moving around right there. Yep. It's gathering in here, it's rotting this whole area. So we gotta take care of that. Okay, a couple things. This fixture, I said before, is leaking, so we can access that fixture right there. So I think I'm hoping it's just the fixture itself, and you could just replace the fixture, undo that. I dried all that out, unplugged the ice maker, but I don't know how water's getting in here, honestly, because it's not coming in from up here. So from here it goes down in here, but this stays on top of the this is on top of this fixture right here. It doesn't go into this compartment, and this is all made out of wood. I mean, it's not really designed to take water on here, even though there's a drain in the corner there. Yeah, I don't think this is supposed to be on water, so I can't exactly figure out how water's coming into this area. This area was filled up with water, about an inch of water, maybe 2, and then behind here, eventually that filled up with water and ended down in, I'll show you where that ended up right now. So that water from up in the ice maker area eventually made its way down here into this corner right here, and flows. It actually flows this direction, which is forward, not aft. But that was that other compartment that was even lower than the ice maker. So there was about 2-3 inches, no, maybe not 2, maybe just an inch and a half of water in here. One of my pillows got soaked because of all those issues with the water, and we're not even sure we're going to use the ice maker. I decided to yank that ice maker out and bring it home and put it in the garage. So that's why there's just this empty spot there. In the meantime, while I have that out, we have to, number one, make sure that we deal with this leakage coming where I believe it's just right up front there on the port side. But the other thing is, I went ahead and wanted to replace this old kind of decrepit sink here. Just cold water. And so I've just taken this out. We're gonna replace that with this guy right here. I got my plumber's putty. I don't have plumber's tape with me, so I'm gonna see if I can borrow some from a nice marina neighbor, and then I'm gonna try to put that in and get that working for this coming Friday when Mary and I are supposed to spend the night on the boat. Not that we really need that, but I want to get that done, and then make sure the water's taken care of, and then we'll figure out later what to do with the ice maker. And all this doesn't really matter until those engines get fixed, so we can go on some trips together. All right, so I'm gonna get to work on this.